Cloudy Wowdy, what you got there?
I just caught myself a turtle.
A turtle?
Yep. And it looks like he's doing pull-ups.
Yeah. Awesome,
that's
huh?
That's very awkward.
Yeah. A yo-yo turtle.
Whoop.
Turtle yo-yo. Awesome.
He's literally acting like a yo-yo.
You having a good time? Love you, buddy.
I love you too.
All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good afternoon, guys. Today is April the 12th. And the beds are ready. Man, look at those things. They are pretty. The first row we already got cucumbers planted. This row we got crooked neck yellow squash. I do realize that I'm a little late on all this stuff, but that is what it is. Let's see how we produce. But yeah, man, these rows look lovely, man. The biomass that's in these rows. Yeah, man, this is gonna be some beautiful, beautiful gardening. Well, I told you that I'd give you an update when I had the rows in and ready for planting. Well, this is it. So, beautiful thing. Where these guys came from, they didn't have nearly as much green to eat. They're going to be happy here. These guys are a little nervous. They don't know what to think yet. Everybody else seems to be doing good. Those guys are out and exploring around. Pretty awesome. It's been a fairly lovely day. And see, that's the new Billy there. And he's keeping his flock, and then Comet there, and looks like he's gonna hold his. Of course, Gabby looking around, making sure everything's safe. Good afternoon, guys. Today is June the 1st, 2018. Gonna give you a quick overview of the property here and what we've improved and what we changed. Got the chicken tractors out there working on the next garden section. They'll be there for a short time until we get it tilled and turned and ready to plant. The garden bed back there is looking good. We got that old shed tore down there. There's still some trash there that we'll get rid of. And that trash pile there is almost completely gone. Got some scrap metal that's got to get out of there, and otherwise it's finished. Goat's done a real good job eating down those saplings. The gallberry and the sweet gum. They got that section back there ate up, almost ready to plant. And they've eaten all this over here to bare ground. If you look right back over here, I got the dam almost filled back up and the pond is starting to collect water. Well, guys, thanks for watching.
Hi guys! This is my favorite duck, or at least the one I picked out to play today. We are playing in water. He is either an Indian runner or a blue Swedish, maybe a mix. I'm not super sure. But I just think he's the cutest thing. Here you go, buddy. Here you go.